So you want to remove the green background from your Chroma key videos in Adobe Premiere. Here's how to quickly deal with this. First, drag your video with the Chroma key to the timeline. If you have a background footage or image, make sure it's below the green screen video in the timeline. Scale, adjust the position of your overlay video as you wish. You can do it after the Chroma key is done if you want. Now, at the Effect tab, search for Ultra Key, or you can browse to Video Effects, Keying, Ultra Key. Then drag the effect to the green screen footage, and now the Chroma key is applied. Now, on the Effect Controls tab, the Ultra Key effect will be displayed. Click on the color picker and select the green of your footage. And it's done. Very easy. Now, you can check our Chroma key tutorial on CapCut too. Like this video and subscribe for more content. See you soon.